Hello everyone, welcome to Online Magic channel. This is Shanmugam. In this video, I will show how to align an object to the target surface. Here, I am taking two objects. One is cube and another one is cone. Now, move the cone some distance in x-axis and press 1. Turn front orthographic view, then move the both objects in Z direction 1 unit upward. Select all the objects. Here, this cube is our target object, cone is our base object. The cone will be aligned with the inclined surface of the cube. Okay? So, for achieving this task, we will use some snap utilities commands like selection to cursor, cursor to selection, and origin to 3D cursor. Now change the origin of the cone to base surface. Select edit mode and face selection. Here we select center as well as grade on. Shift yes, cursor to selected, then tab click on. Now press W, get the viewport context menu, click set origin and origin to 3D cursor. Press the snap icon and select the face mode. Press the align rotate target. Okay. Then press G. Move the cone to target surface of the cube. Just click it. Now our cone is aligned with target surface orientation direction. Press 1 to front view orthographic view, then press Shift S and select selection to 3D cursor. Now our cone object is properly aligned with the target surface of the cube. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.